Uploading football highlights to YouTube without risking copyright strikes can be tricky due to the strict enforcement of copyright laws by sport organizations and broadcasters. Monetizing a YouTube channel by uploading football highlights can also be challenging due to copyright issues. Most football matches, highlights, and related content are copyrighted, and using them without proper authorization can lead to copyright strikes, demonetization, or even legal action. However, there are some ways you might be able to monetize a channel featuring football content. Number 1. Transform the content. Instead of uploading direct footages of matches or highlights, create original content related to football. This could include analysis, commentary, documentaries, interviews, or other content that doesn't rely heavily on copyrighted material. Number 2. Use short clips. Instead of uploading entire matches or lengthy highlights, use short clips of a few seconds to a minute in length. Shorter clips are less likely to trigger copyright claims. Number 3. Modify the footage. Alter the footage in some way, such as adjusting the speed, adding visual effects, or overlaying graphics to make it sufficiently different from the original. Number 4. Use public domain or Creative Commons content. Look for football-related content that is in the public domain or has a Creative Commons license that allows for reuse and modification. You can use such content without worrying about copyright issues. Number 5. Partner with content creators. Collaborate with content creators who have the right to use football footage legally. You can work together to create videos, and they can help ensure that the content is properly licensed or fall under the fair use. And lastly, affiliate marketing. Instead of relying on ad revenue from YouTube, explore affiliate marketing opportunities related to football or any other sports, and you can promote products, merchandise, or services relevant to your audience and earn commissions for sales generated through your channel. Lastly, it's very essential to prioritize legality and respect for copyright when creating and monetizing content on YouTube or maybe any other platform. Violating copyright laws can result in serious consequences, including channel termination, legal penalties, and damage your reputation. But give it a try and take risks. Without risks, you ain't going to achieve your goals.